Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's pray together before we continue. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabba wa bil islami dina wa bi Muhammadin nabiyya wa rasula. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Rabbi israhli sadari wa yassirli amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Amin. Alhamdulillah. How are you today, Amel? Great. I cannot hear you. Can you speak louder? I cannot hear you. Can you say something? Yes. Your voice is too soft. I cannot hear you clearly. Can you say something louder? Or maybe you can turn up your or volume. Okay, Amel, this is the sixth meeting. Actually, we need to have the first test, but I'm not sure that you are ready for the test. So we're going to have the next schedule fixed first, and then we're going to agree on when we're going to have the test ya. Harusnya hari ini tes, tapi karena kita belum koordinasi tentang itu, jadi kita fixkan dulu jadwal berikutnya. Hari Sabtu ini rencana saya ada kelas tambahan untuk kelas saya yang satunya karena minggu depan sudah mulai libur. Kalau misalnya kita kursus di hari Rabu atau Kamis, bisa tidak, Amel?
Besok bisa Miss, kalau Kamis nggak bisa, ada UAS.
Oke, hari Rabu bisa? Besok sore?
Insya Allah.
Insya Allah.
Tapi jangan sampai jam 5 Miss.
Nggak apa-apa. Atau pagi?
Sampai akhirnya tapi setengah jam 5-an udah.
Oke. Kalau Jumat? Jumat free tidak? Saya khawatir hari Sabtu Amel ada acara lagi. Jadi mendingan kita ajukan dulu biar kalau Sabtu ada acara aman hari Sabtunya. Jumat free? Free. Mau online atau offline?
Masih offline.
Mau offline? Boleh. eh Nanti kita koordinasi lagi ya. Bisa pagi kelasnya jam 8 atau jam 10 atau siang jam 1 ya. Ah, ah. Mungkin pagi sekalian misalnya kalau nggak jam 8 jam 1 atau setengah 2 ya, Amel ya. Okay, so we're going to have some review today ya. Kita review dari sesi pertama. So we're going to review some of the things that we have learned. The first thing is about using to be, menggunakan to be dalam percakapan. It's about our personal information ya. I'm going to post some questions on our Telegram group. You can check it later. So I'm going to ask you a question and then please answer my question, yeah? I'm going to type your question, your answer on the question list, yeah, so that later on you can review, yeah. If the question is, for example, what's your name, then you can answer correctly the question. Yeah. Okay. The first question, what is your name?
My name is Amelia Ramadhani.
Okay. What, how old are you, Amel?
Um, 18.
I'm 18. Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Demak.
Mm-hmm. Are you married?
No. I'm
Mm,
student.
Okay. No, I'm not. Are you married? No, I'm not. Saya belum menikah. How do you say it in English? I'm
I'm not.
single. Yeah, I'm not
I'm
married.
single.
I'm single. I'm not married.
I'm not. Mm,
Yes. What is your job?
no.
I don't work. Yeah, I don't work. Saya tidak punya pekerjaan. How do you say it in English?
I'm not work.
I don't work. I don't have a job. Okay. Are you a student, Amel?
Yes, I'm student.
Yes, I am.
Yes,
Where, are you a student? Yes, I am. Can you continue? I study.
I'm studying in
Mm-hmm.
Wali Songo, Semarang.
Okay, I study at UIN Wali Songo, Semarang. What's your major?
Mm,
What's your major? What do you study?
I'm studying
Psychology.
psychology.
Mm-mm.
Psychology.
Okay. Now I'm going to ask you again. This time, I'm going to go faster, yeah? Hello, Assalamualaikum. What's your name?
My name is Amelia Ramadhani.
Okay, how do I call you?
Amel,
Amel. Amel, how old are you, Amel?
18.
You're 18. Where are you from?
I'm from Demak.
You're from the Ma. Okay. That's nice. Are you married?
No, no, this, no,
No.
no, this not.
No, I'm not.
Not, I'm not.
Yes. No, I'm not.
I'm,
I'm single. I'm
I'm
not
single.
married. Yes. What is your job, Amel?
No,
I don't work. I don't have a job. Yes. Or you can say, I don't work. I'm still a student. Are you a student, Amel?
yes, I'm
Yes, I.
studying
Mhm.
at University of National.
Okay. I study at UIN Wali Songo Semarang. What's your major?
I'm studying psychology.
I study psychology. Okay. Now we're going to continue with the next question. Yeah. Do you live in a boarding house? Oh, you live in a pondok, yeah? You live in a ma'had. Is your pondok big or small?
Yes, the,
Big, yeah. Very big?
very good.
Yeah, very big, yeah. How many students? Do you know how many students live in the ma'had? Do you know how
Um,
many students living there?
for, for
400.
Africa.
Berapa santri atau mahasiswa yang tinggal di Mahat?
Um,
Many? Okay. What is your favorite
Africa.
color, Amel?
Blue.
Blue. Okay, I like blue.
Like blue.
Mm-hmm. Are you happy today?
Happy.
Yes, I am. Okay. Are you from the city or from the countryside?
Yes, yes.
Rumahnya Amel di daerah kota Demak atau di daerah pedesaannya? From.
Pedesaan.
So I'm
I'm
from the countryside.
from the countryside.
Yes. What is your favorite food, Amel?
Nasi nasi goreng.
Okay, I like nasi goreng.
Um,
What else?
um,
Okay. Do you like pecel?
no, I
No, no,
like
I don't. Yes. Are you interested in sports?
um,
Are you interested in sports? Olahraga?
yes,
Yes, I am. What sports do you like?
cargo,
Sorry?
jogging,
Jogging.
latihan.
Okay, okay. Yes, I am. I like jogging. Are you good at cooking? Bisa masak?
Small, small.
No, not really. Yeah, not really. Nggak begitu ya, tapi bisa ya. Okay. Do you have a best friend?
Yes,
Mm-hmm. What's her name?
owl.
Oh yeah, you told me 2 weeks ago, yeah.
Yes,
Okay. So we have some list of the questions there in the uh, Telegram group. Later on, you can check that one. Yeah. You can see the questions and how you answer it. Yeah. If you have questions later, you can ask me. Okay. If you want to know the meanings of some words, then you can go to ChatGPT or you can go to Google Translate or to anywhere. Yeah. Now I'm going to show you the pattern. Yeah. I'm going to remind you the pattern of some questions here. So we have WH questions. Yeah, questions with WH like what, when, where, and then yeah, most of them use what, yeah, what. Then we have yes, no question. So let's review about yes, no questions and WH questions. Okay, can you see the screen? Can you see the whiteboard? Kelihatan tidak whiteboardnya yang di...
yes,
Ya, kelihatan?
yes,
Yeah, okay. So we have over here what? What is WH? Yeah, WH, question using WH. Over here we have is. Is, we call is as to be in English. Yeah. What is your name? The answer is my name's Amelia Ramadhani. You can call me Amel. And then after that we have how old are you? How old are you? We have is here in the first question. And then in the second one, we have are. Is and are, we call them to be. Yeah, to be are used depending on the subject. Yeah, for example, for the first one, we have your name. This is a single word or singular. So we use is. And then in the second question, we have you. The pair is are. You are. The to be for you is are. How old are you? The answer is I'm 18. And then in the next one, we have you. So the to be is are. So you are, we are, they are, he is, she is, it is. Yeah, so every pronoun has the to be. Yeah, where are you from? I'm from Demak. Are you married? Are you married? This is yes, no question. Let's see WH question first, yeah? What is? How old are you? Okay. Kapan kita menggunakan to be? Pertama, kalau dalam pertanyaan atau dalam kalimat ada kata benda seperti ini, Amel. Like name, kemudian address, what is your address? Or hobby, what is your hobby? Itu nama kata benda ya. Noun, name, hobby, address. So we use to be. And then the second one, we have preposition like this one. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Demak. Ada yang kedua, yang pertama tadi kalau ada kata benda, yang kedua kalau menggunakan preposition like this one. Ya, jadi ada keterangan tempat, ada keterangan waktu. And then over here, um, tadi di bagian agak bawah ya, uh, I'm going to put it here biar kelihatan. Oh, belum. Oke, let me paste it here. Okay. Is your ma'had big or small? Big or small? They are adjective ya. Ada adjective. Jadi ada tiga tadi at least. Yang pertama ada kata benda. Yang kedua ada preposition atau keterangan waktu, keterangan tempat. Yang ketiga ada kata sifat. Big, small, happy, angry, sad, hungry, thirsty gitu. Kalau ada kata-kata itu, kita menggunakan to be. To bisa is, bisa are, tergantung subjeknya. Okay? So for example over here, what is your name? My name is Amelia. How old are you, Amel? I'm 18. Where are you from? I'm from Demak. Okay? What is your job? I don't work. What's your major? I study psychology. Sampai di sini ada yang mau ditanyakan? No. Jadi kalimat dalam bahasa Inggris yang pertama kita pelajari menggunakan to be. Okay? When do we use the to be? First, when we have nouns like names, like this one, student, major, hobby. The second one, when we have an adverb, keterangan waktu, keterangan tempat. Where are you from? I'm from Demak. The third one is when we have adjectives, kata sifat. Happy, angry, sad, excited, big, small, then we use to be. Okay? And then the next question is yes, no question. Why do we call it yes, no question? Because the answer can be yes, can be no. For example, are you married? No, I'm not. I'm single. Or I'm not married. Are you a student? Yes, I am. Are you happy now? Yes, I am. So that is yes, no question. Yeah. We have is or are over here, and then we have the subject, and then the question. Are you a student? The answer is yes, I am. Are you a teacher? No, I'm not. Are you happy? Yes, I am. Are you hungry, Amel? Are you hungry? Yeah, you can say, no, I'm not. I'm full. Yeah, I've just had my lunch, a very late lunch. Okay, so we have WH questions and then yes, no questions. When we ask WH questions, the intonation is raising, falling. When we ask yes, no questions, the intonation is raising. Ya, kalau pertanyaannya WH, intonasinya turun. What's your name? How old are you? Where are you from? Kalau yes, no question, intonasinya naik. Are you married? Are you a student? Is your ma'had big or small? Like that. Ya. Let's see the exercise on the book. I'm going to share the exercise later on. Do you bring your book with you? If yes, you can try to open the book. We're going to go to the workbook and then we're going to practice some of the exercises. Yeah, we are going to do some of the exercises on the book. Yeah, please wait for the slide or for the PDF to appear. Please wait. It's on its way. Okay, please wait. Is it raining over there, Amel?
Yes.
Is it raining outside?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Do you like rain?
Suka light.
Oh,
Very,
okay.
very light.
Oh, you really like rain. What do you usually do when it's raining? When you- I'm very sorry. It's what do you see on the screen, Amel? I'm sorry. I don't really have a good connection today. Yang kelihatan di screen apa?
Tidak
ChatGPT?
sini. Book
Book,
PDF.
okay. PDF. All right, let's go down. Oh, it's raining, so the quality of the connection is not really good. Can you see the PDF now? Can you see it?
Oh,
Yes, okay. So we're going to go to the exercises and we're going to do some exercises on the book so that later in the next session, we're going to have the test and you're going to be able to do the test well. Yeah, so today we're having the review. And then after this, in some minutes, we're going to continue with the next topic. I'm trying to find the workbook. Please wait. Okay. This is the Grammar Plus. This one is on the PDF, but we cannot find it in the printed version of the book, ya. Yang ini ada di PDF, tapi tidak ada di buku yang dicetak kemarin. Okay, let's see the answer to the exercise here. Statements with be and possessive adjectives. Kalimat dengan be, dengan to be, kemudian penggunaan possessive adjective. Kepunyaan yang berkaitan dengan pronoun ya. Okay, can you see number one?
This is
Uh-uh. This is Dulce Castello.
Dulce
Okay.
Castello.
The next one, is it she's or her?
Her, a
She,
new
uh, she's a new student or her a new student?
is.
She is, that's right. This is Dulce Castello. She's a new student from Santo Domingo. Now let's go to number two. What do you think the sentence is? My name?
And is W.
Okay,
I'm from Brazil.
that's right. Number three, very good.
I'm brother and our students here.
Mm-mm, mm-hmm.
Our our names are Nate and Pat.
Ted,
Pat.
very nice. Good. Number four.
He Temple
Mm-mm.
is 19 years old.
19 years old. This one, yeah. He is Kento. He is 19 years old. Number five.
Um, they're in my English class.
Mm-mm.
It's a big class.
Okay, very nice. Now we're going to go to exercise two. WH questions with B. Okay, we're going to match the question with the answer. Who's that? Which one is the response?
Um,
Who's that? F, yeah? The answer is here. Who's that?
yes.
It's F, yeah. That's our new classmate. That's our new classmate. Number two, where's your teacher?
Um, uh, um, his
Which one?
name is Daniel.
Where is your teacher? Where is your teacher? So the question asks about the place. Where is your teacher? Di mana? The answer is?
He's from South Korea.
Mm, I don't think so.
He's in class.
Nah, he's in class. E, yeah. Okay. Now, what is number three? What are your friends like?
His name is Daniel.
Try again.
Uh, the, um,
What are your friends like? Your friends, we have S over here. We have
they're
R.
really nice.
Yes, they're really nice. It's A, yeah. Okay, number four. Where is she
He's,
from?
he's from South Korea. South
Very
Korea.
good. She's from South Korea. Who are they?
Um, they're my brother and sister.
Good. So it's C. Number six. What's his name?
His name is Daniel.
Nice. D, yeah. Now let's practice asking and answering the questions. I'm going to ask you the questions from number one to number six, Amel, and your job is to answer the questions, yeah? Okay, who's that?
That's our new classmate.
Where's your teacher?
He's in class.
Okay, what are your friends like?
They're really nice.
Where is she from?
He's from South Korea.
Yeah, who are they?
They're my brother and sister.
What's his name?
He's in class. His name is Daniel.
Yeah, okay, nice. Yeah. Now let's take turn. You ask the questions and I'm going to answer the questions. Now, from number one. You ask the questions, I'm going to answer the questions, please. Who's that? Read the question. I will answer the question.
Uh, um,
Who's that? Read it. Who's that? You 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 ask, I answer.
what are your motivation?
Oh, okay. You're asking me a different question? Yes, okay. My motivation for what? For teaching? Yeah? I like teaching because uh I like English. I really like
Yes.
English, so yeah, teaching English makes me happy. That's my biggest motivation to teach English because I really like English, and then I want to help other people to practice English. So I'm really motivated in practicing English and in teaching English. Okay, are you ready? If I ask you a question too?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. What's your motivation to choose psychology, Amel? Why do you choose psychology? Why psychology is interesting to you? What is your motivation to choose psychology?
Itu pilihan
Mm-hmm.
masing.
Mm-hmm.
Ini eh, bukan dari diriku sendiri.
Oh, dari siapa?
Iya. Brother,
Sorry?
brother, kakak.
Brother. Oh,
Yes.
kakak. Why? Kenapa kakak milihkan psychology?
Eh, karena katanya saya tuh punya kepedulian gitu. Dulu saya
Ah,
sempat ini nggak pengen kuliah, pengen kayak mundur aja gitu di negara
ah, karena
karena disuruh kuliah.
karena belum pengen kuliah atau karena belum tahu apa yang mau dipilih jurusannya.
Eh, dulu sempat pengen ke Darwa, tapi nggak diboleh ibu kecewa, jadi nggak pengen kuliah.
Pengen
Terus
kemana?
tiba-tiba aku
Sorry,
ke Dalwa,
Dalwa itu?
Pasuruan, Jawa Timur.
Oh, oke. Is it a pondok, Mahat?
Yes,
Oh, I
Mahat,
see.
dan itu juga ada uniknya juga, tapi ya kecil-kecilan tuh dalam.
Hmm. Kenapa Amel pengen ke situ?
I like rektornya.
Sorry, rektor?
Ya,
Oh, kenapa rektornya? Why?
saya
Why?
mengidolakan beliau, Miss.
Oh, really? How do you describe him? What's the good character of the rector?
Eh, Luar biasa tawaduk.
Ah, I see. Is he still the rector there?
Habis tugas baharin.
Sorry?
Habis tugas baharin.
I'm not really, I don't really catch you. Sudah? Sudah digantikan?
Ya, yes, Miss.
Yes. Is he still the rector there? Your idol?
No, masih.
No. All right. Have you been there to Dalwa? Sudah pernah ke sana?
No,
Not yet.
searching internet.
Okay. You're searching on the internet. Hopefully someday later you can go there, yeah? So you can see the Mahad by yourself. Yeah, I mean, let's go. Continue to the next exercise. Yes, no questions and short answers with B. Okay. So we can use short answers to answer yes, no questions. For short answers with yes, no questions, we don't use contractions. Like, for example, are you from Mexico? We can say, yes, I am. Not yes, I'm, but yes, I am. Let's do the exercise. Number one, are they in your class? What's the answer?
On
No,
no, no,
no. What's the answer? No, there,
there,
uh
there,
not.
not.
Yeah. No, they're not. They're in English too. Hi, what is the question?
I, I, there in, there is in this class.
Okay. The answer is I'm a new student here. I'm a new student here. So, what is the subject? Yang ditanya apa? Jawabannya I. What is the question?
You, your, your,
Are you?
uh, are you
Are you what? Are you
in,
in this class? Ah, kamu gabung ke kelas ini. Are you in this class? What's the answer? Yes, I.
yes, I am.
Yes, I am. I'm a new student here. Okay, now I'm giving you around 1 minute. Try to think about the answer for number three, four, five, and six. Yeah, so you can try to think the answer or the questions for number three, four, five, and six. Let's do number three first. When you know the answer, just read ya. Kalau sudah tahu jawabannya langsung aja dibaca. Number three.
Are you from the United, United
Mm-mm.
States?
Okay. Are you from the United States? Kamu dari Amerika. Are you from the United States? What's the answer? No, no.
No to not. Where
Over here,
from? Not to not.
Calgary. Uh-uh. No, we're
We're not.
not. Uh-uh. So we can say, no, we are not. We are not. Or, no, we are not. So we can have a contractions like this one. Yeah. No, we are not. We are from Calgary, Canada. Number four. Hi, Monica.
Are you free?
Nice. Are you free? What's the answer?
No, we're not. I'm on way. I'm I'm on my way to class.
Okay. Over here is I. So over here, we also have I. No, I'm not. Hi, Monica. Are you free? Monica, kamu lagi longgar? Enggak. No, I'm not. I'm on my way to class. Aku mau ada kuliah. Okay. Number five. That's the new student. What's the question?
That's the new
The clue is
student.
here. The clue is here. Ini cluenya. He. Itu dia murid barunya. Dia dari Paraguay. How do you ask that in English?
Is
Is,
from
uh-uh, is,
is is
yeah,
is in
this one
is
is
your
he.
oh,
Ya. Dia, apakah dia dari Paraguay? Is he from Paraguay? What's the answer? No, no,
no, he's not.
yes, no, he's not. Number six, this is the clue. She. How do you ask it? Dia dari Indonesia? Iya, dia dari Jakarta. How do you say it in English? Is?
Is your from Indonesia?
Yes. Is she from Indonesia? The answer is yes.
Yes.
Mm-mm.
Yes, I is.
Ayo, yes. Satu aja, salah satu. Yes,
Yes.
she
Yes, he.
is.
Yes, he.
Uh-uh. Okay. So when the answer is she's from Jakarta, then the question is. Yeah. So this one is yes, no question. Yes, no question means the answer can be yes, can be no. Jadi pertanyaan yang jawabannya bisa iya, bisa tidak, kita sebut yes, no question. Kalau yes, no question dengan is atau dengan are, itu selalu diawali dengan to be-nya. Is atau are. Cara menentukannya? Cara menentukannya kita nanyanya siapa? Subjeknya siapa? For example, over here we have she. Jadi to be-nya di sini pasti is karena berpasangan. She is, he is, they are, we are, you are. Tinggal dibalik saja. Is-nya ada di sini because this one is a question. Is she from Indonesia? Is she from Indonesia? Yes, she is. Jawabannya tinggal diulang. Ini kalimatnya ditukar kata-katanya. Yes, she is. She's from Jakarta. Kemudian he is. He pasangannya dengan is. He is. Is he from Paraguay? No, he's not. Or no, he is not. He's from Uruguay. And then over here, kalau jawabannya I, berarti pertanyaannya you. Kamu longgar? Oh tidak, aku sibuk. Oke. Ya, tentu tidak. Ya. Hai Monica, are you free? Are you free? Kenapa di sini pakai are? Ya, karena nanyanya you. You itu pasangannya dengan are. Untuk membuat jadi kalimat tanya yang jawabannya yes, no, tinggal ditukar. Are-nya dimajukan ke depan. Are you free? Jawabannya yes, I am. Or no, I'm not. I'm on my way to class. Oke, this one is almost the same with this. Hampir sama ya. Cuma di sininya we. Oh, we itu bisa ditanya dengan you. Ya, you itu bisa berarti satu orang, kamu. Bisa berarti lebih dari satu, kalian. Kalian dari Amerika, so we can use you. Are you from the United States? Jawabannya bukan I, karena orangnya banyak ya. Kami bukan dari Amerika. No, we're not. We're from Calgary, Canada. Number two, are you in this class? Ini you yang kamu, hanya satu. Yes, I am. I'm a new student here. And then are they in your class? No, they're not. They're in English too. Okay. Any questions so far about yes, no questions? Tadi WH question dengan be, sekarang yes, no question dengan be. Ada yang mau ditanyakan? No? If not, then we can continue to the next one. Yeah, I have posted this to our Telegram group. So later you can check again uh, the answers. or how we make questions and answers using to be. Okay, now let's continue to the workbook. Yeah, let's continue to the workbook because we're going to go to the next topic. The workbook will be your exercise later after this ya. Nanti latihan-latihan yang di workbook bisa dikerjakan sendiri untuk persiapan tes yang pertama di sesi berikutnya. Ya, insya Allah on Friday. Okay, over here we have where are you from? Ya, later on please do the exercises. Ya, Amel, this will be your exercises. If you have questions later, you can ask me. Uh, for example, this one is exercise 1. Write about yourself. You can write down here. My first name is Amelia. My last name is Ramadhani, like that. And then you can do exercise 2 over here. This is jumbled words. Yeah, you need to put the words in the correct order to make questions. And then we need to answer the questions. All right. For exercise 3, you need to choose the correct responses. Okay. For the next one, look at the answers. You need to ask or you need to make the questions. Yeah. For exercise 4. Okay. For the next one, you need to choose what to use. Yeah. Is it he or his, it or its? Okay. So this one is for your exercise. And then let's go to the next one.
Ini dikerjain
Unit
semua, Miss.
dikerjain uh, next session hari Jumat kita akan tes. Tesnya materinya dari unit 1 dan unit 2 ya. Tadi ini unit 1 kita review lagi, kita review maju ke unit yang kedua. Ini tadi unit yang pertama, sekarang kita review unit yang kedua. Jadi dikerjakan sebanyak-banyaknya, Amel, biar nanti bisa lebih clear lagi, lebih paham tentang penggunaan to be dalam kalimat, dalam pertanyaan. Okay, we're going to go to unit 2. We're going to review unit 2. What do you do? What do you do? What do you do, Amel? Do you work? No. Yeah, you're a student. Y- Do you work? No, I don't. I don't have a job. I'm a student, so I study. What do you study? I study psychology. Yes. What do you do? Haha. What do you do is when we ask someone about jobs, right? When we ask someone about jobs. What does your father do, Amel?
Wira swasta.
Okay. You can say he's an entrepreneur. He's an entrepreneur. Does he sell something? Does he have a shop?
Yes.
Bapak punya toko?
Yes.
Yes. Does he own a shop? Yes, he does. Okay. Just like in the first unit, in the first chapter, in the second unit, we also use WH questions and statements with do and does. Yeah. For example, I'm a student. I have a part-time job too. I'm a student. I have a part-time job too. And then the question is, what do you do? What do you do? I'm a student. I have a part-time job too. Where do you work? I work at a restaurant. Where do you go to school? I go to the University of Texas. Okay, so we can see here we have what do you do? Where do you work? Where do you go to school? Kalau yang tadi kita pakai to be, is, dan are, kemudian am untuk I. Kenapa? Karena di pertanyaan atau kalimat tadi ada kata benda, ada kata sifat, ya, situasi, ada keterangan. Nah, kalau yang ini kita gunakan do atau does over here because we have verbs here. Ada aktivitas yang dikerjakan atau verb. Ya, so in this kind of situation we use do or does. Ya, jadi kita di sini nggak pakai is atau are atau am lagi, tapi kita pakai do. What do you do? Where do you work? Where do you go to school? So because we have verbs here, then we use do, 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 because the subject is you in this question. What do you do? Where do you work? Where do you go to school? Can you repeat after me? What do you do?
What do you do?
Where do you work?
Where where do you work?
Where do you go to school?
Where do you go to school?
Okay. And then over here we have does because the subject is Amy or she. So for the third person singular, we use does. Orang ketiga tunggal menggunakan does. Ya, for example, Amy, she, he, Andy, my teacher, my friend. We use does. What does Amy do? She's a dancer. What does your father do? He's an entrepreneur. What does Miss Unita do? She's a teacher. Okay, so we use does. Where does she work? She works at a dance company. She travels too. And then over here we have how. How does she like it? She loves it. All right. For the statements, when the subject is I or over here you, yeah. Where do you work? I work. We don't use S over here. Where do you go to school? I go to the University of Texas. But here, when the subject is she, then we put S over here. She's a dancer. Where does she work? She works at a dance company. She travels too. How does she like it? She loves it. Over here, we have I, you. I work, you work, and then he works with S. He takes. She studies. She teaches. He teaches. We put S over here. She does. She goes. She has. Not she have, but she has. I have. He has. Okay. Now let's see this one. Do you still remember number one? We have done this before, so let's just review. Number one, what do you do? I'm a full-time student. I study the piano. What is the next question, Amel?
And do you do?
Yes? Do you still remember? Masih
And
ingat nggak pertanyaannya apa nih? The answer is to the Brooklyn School of Music. Jawabannya to the Brooklyn School of Music. What's the question?
um
Perlu clue? Okay, let's do it together. Yeah, let's. Oh, sorry, I clicked the wrong button. Do you bring the book that you got from here? Bawa buku
yes, sir.
cetaknya nggak? Yes,
Bawa.
okay. Bawa. Can you open that page? The page where we discuss this? page, what page is it? Oh, page 10. Can you open page 10?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Write the answer there.
And
Not yet. Belum ada jawabannya di buku Amel. Oh, belum ada. Okay. Let's answer together then. Let's do exercise A. Let's see. Number one. What do you do? I'm a full-time student. I study piano. What is the next question? And
any you you
uh-uh.
and your
Di sini
and
mm-mm. The Brooklyn School of Music di UIN Wali Songo. What's the question? Kamu
and
sekolah
studies
uh,
you
uh, kamu kuliah di mana? Di mana? What word? What, when, where, why? Yang mana? Di mana? Di mana? Di mana?
where
Yes, where? Do you know that song? Di mana? Di mana? Where do you? Where do you what? Where do you? Kamu sekolah di mana? Where do you go? Ya, where do you go to school? Where do you go to school? Ih, kok gitu pertanyaannya? Emang gitu. Where do you go to school? I go to.
and
Ya, gini.
to
Jangan pakai M. Karena M-nya yang tadi, ya. Yang sekarang kita pakai go. So we don't use is or am. No, kita pakai kata kerja. Kata kerja saja. Tidak ada am, tidak ada is, tanpa to be. Ya. Where do you go to school? I go, ya. I go to the Brooklyn School of Music. What is the next question? Do you like your classes? Oh, them a lot. Seberapa suka? How? How? Like this. How do you like your classes? What's the answer? I
uh, I
suka banget. How do you say
I
it?
say
This one, this one.
I say like
Uh-uh. I like them. Kalau pengen bilang suka sekali, I really like them. Tapi di sini sudah ada a lot. Jadi tidak perlu ada very. Because we have a lot here. I like them a lot. Kalau pengen pakai very, a lot-nya nggak digunakan. So I really like them or I like them a lot. Okay. What do you do? I'm a full-time student. I study the piano. And where do you go to school? I go to the Brooklyn School of Music. Wow. How do you like your classes? I like them a lot. I'm going to paste it to the Telegram group. Please think about how you complete number two. Nomor dua, jawabannya apa? Let me erase this one ya. Kalau nggak dihapus nggak mau naik dia. Okay, number two, please, Amel.
um
What
what what
do at do atau does?
what does
Mm-mm.
was what does do
What does Tanya do?
what does Tanya
She's
do
she's a teacher. She
He's a teacher.
Mm-mm.
She, she,
Mengajar kelas seni. Mengajar. What is mengajar in English?
um,
This one, yeah? Teach. And then we need to put ES over here. Yeah. She teaches an art class at a school in Denver. And what about Ryan? Where? Over here we have what does Tanya do? She's a teacher. She teaches an art class at a school in Denver. What about Ryan? Where? Like this one? Where?
where is, where,
Sama seperti ini.
where,
It's the same. Where?
where studies he work,
Uh-uh. Ya, where does?
where
Gitu
the,
aja. Ya, where does he work? Dia bekerja di perusahaan komputer besar di San Francisco. Dia bekerja. How do you say it in English? Over here, dia mengajar. She teaches. And then this one, dia bekerja.
he works.
Mm-mm. He works with S, yeah? He works. He works for a big computer company in San Francisco. Very nice. What is the next question? Does he do exactly what is the question?
Have,
Mm-mm.
have does he do?
Mm. Mhm. Tadi kita kalau tanya pekerjaan, pertanyaannya apa? What?
What, what does he do?
What do
Actually,
you do? Yes. Over here we have he, and then we just need to put what. What does he do exactly? Apa yang sebetulnya dia kerjakan? Apa yang dia kerjakan lebih tepatnya? Exactly. He's a web designer. He, dia mendesain web. Dia titik-titik fantastic websites. He, hahaha, fantastic websites.
he, hey, the,
This one.
the best,
Nah, kalau web designer itu dia ngapain dengan website?
um,
Membuat ya, mendesain. What is this mendesain in English? He,
that, he,
he designs like this. Yeah, he designs. Hmm. Okay, let's review number 2. What does Tanya do? What does Tanya do? What does Tanya do? She's a teacher. She teaches an art class at a school in Denver. And what about Ryan? Where does he work? He works for a big computer company in San Francisco. What does he do exactly? He's a web designer. He designs fantastic websites. Can you read number 2, Amel? What does? Can you read it? Dibaca saja. Number 2.
what does Tanya do?
Mm-hmm.
He's, he's a teacher. He's
Mm-hmm.
teacher and art class at a school in Denver.
Yeah.
And and what about Ryan there?
Mm-hmm.
Ryan,
Yeah.
that boy's name was.
Mm-hmm.
He worked for a big computer company in San Francisco.
Nice.
What does he do? Actually,
Mm-hmm.
is a web designer. Designer. He designs fantastic website.
Nice. Okay. He designs fantastic websites. Very good. Now look at number three and number four. Look at number three and number four in your book. Can you do it? Can you do the exercise number three and number four? I'm going to paste the answer of number two to our Telegram group. That's it. Let's see number three and number four. Think about the answers to number three and number four.
What
What?
what ha- what what tech
Mm-hmm.
what
Do or does?
study
Mm-hmm. Do or does? Bruce and Ivy, two persons or
does
no?
hmm,
Aduh. Kalau nggak do ya does ya. Kenapa do? Kenapa bukan does?
karena
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 mm-mm.
kata benda.
Karena subjeknya atau yang ditanyakan itu dua orang. Kalau yang ditanyakan satu orang, kita pakainya does. Atau kalau yang ditanya she atau he, itu kita pakai does. For example, what does she do? Nah, yang ditanya itu tentang she atau tentang he, maka di sini kita gunakan does. Di sini kita ada dua, number three nih ya, Bruce and Ivy. So we use do. What do Bruce and Ivy do? What's the answer? They. Apa
Dia
pekerjaan Bruce and Ivy? Mereka kerja di restoran. They.
they works
Mm,
at
yes.
an Italian
Oke. They work pakai S atau tidak?
pakai
They. Tidak ya. Kalau I, we, they, you itu tidak pakai S. Nah, biar ingat-ingat katanya they, we, I, you, Dewi itu tuh Ayu, jadi nggak usah ditambahin apa-apa di sini. Ya, they work, they work. We don't need to put S over here ya. They work at an Italian restaurant. It's really good. That's nice. Okay. What's the next one? Ha
is
ha ha
not
is Ivy's job. Well, she manages the finances and Bruce ha 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 in the kitchen. What's the word? What is the word for this part?
does
Uh-uh. Apa pekerjaannya Ivy?
uh,
Apa? Bahasa Inggrisnya apa?
what
What? Yeah, like this. Yeah. What is Ivy's job? Well, she manages the finances and Bruce, Ivy, dia mengatur keuangan dan Bruce, titik-titik, in the kitchen. Bekerja di kitchen.
what
Work. Yes. Is it with S or without S? With
yes
S. Yes, with S because this one is a one person, yeah, the third person singular. Bruce is one person. She manages the finances, ada S-nya, and Bruce works in the kitchen. Number four, where? Do or does?
does
Does. Nice. Where does Ali work? What's the answer? He,
he
dia bekerja di universitas.
he work
Yes, he work with S or no?
no
Yes or no? Over here we have he.
yes
Yes. He works at the university. Dia mempunyai part-time job.
Uh, have.
Have. Have karena subjeknya he berubah menjadi has.
Have.
Ya. Mm-mm. He has a part-time job. Really? What?
You what
Do or does he?
does
Does. Nice. What does he do?
he work
Dia
official
mengerjakan,
eh
dia mengerjakan pekerjaan kantor. What is mengerjakan in English? Saya mengerjakan PR. I yang paling umum sih.
I study.
Uh-uh. Kalau ini dia mengerjakan pekerjaan kantor. Pekerjaan kantor means mengetik, typing, and then probably manages something. Mengerjakan, what is mengerjakan in English? Do, ya. Do. With S or without S? With S. And then because we have do, we have it here. Does. He does office work. He does office work. Kok does nih sama kayak pertanyaannya? Ya, karena ini sebetulnya kata kerjanya do, tapi karena subjeknya he ditambah s. Nah, aturannya kalau dalam bahasa Inggris bukan dos, tapi does. Does. He does office work. The next one, seberapa suka dia? How?
How does he like
Uh-huh.
it?
Nice. How does he like it? Not much, but he nggak begitu suka, tapi dia punya uang ekstra sekarang.
He, uh,
Dia memiliki, dia punya. I give you the clue. He,
he he wear
uh-uh.
some
He have. Karena he, jadi he has like this. Okay, it's time for you to read the dialogues, read the conversation from number 3, Amel.
what what do Bruce and Livy do?
Mm-mm,
They work at an Italian restaurant. That's
mm-hmm.
really good.
Nice.
That's nice.
Yeah.
What is Ethan's job?
Mm-mm,
Well, she she manages
mm-mm,
the finance
mm-mm,
and Bruce works in the kitchen.
mm-mm.
Where does Ali work?
Yeah.
Ali work at the university. He has
Mm-mm.
a part-time job.
Yeah.
Really, what does he do? He does office work.
Yeah.
How does he like it? Not
Mm-mm.
much, but he has some extra money to pay.
Okay. Listen to me carefully. Here is how we pronounce some words, yeah? What do Bruce and Ivy do? This is Ivy. What do Bruce and Ivy do? They work, they work at an Italian restaurant. It's really good. That's nice. What is Ivy's job? Well, she manages, this one is manages. She manages the finances and Bruce works in the kitchen. Where does Ali work? He works at the university. He has a part-time job. Really? What does he do? He does office work. How does he like it? Not much, but he has some extra money to spend. Yeah, this one is some extra money to spend. Okay, I'm going to paste this one again to our Telegram group ya. Setelah ini dilihat lagi ya, Amel ya, dibaca lagi karena secara ilmiah hal-hal yang sudah kita pelajari itu kita perlu ulang lagi, ulang lagi untuk nantinya kita ingat ya. Semakin sering kita ulang, nanti semakin lama kita bisa ingat. Kemudian kalau pingin latihan soalnya, eh, jawabannya pakai pensil. Nanti kalau lupa lihat ya lihat yang sudah kita kerjakan bareng-bareng ini terus dihapus lagi nanti berapa menit lagi atau besok dikerjakan lagi udah betul belum ya. Nah, kalau udah betul semua berarti sudah ingat polanya ya. Jadi bisa kerjakan soal-soal yang ada di sini saja, fokus dulu yang di sini. Nah, dikerjakan berulang-ulang, kemudian kalau sudah ingat nah, lanjutkan ke berikutnya. Okay. Um, Now we're going to take a look at a little bit on the pronunciation. Yeah. For example, like this one, dancer, dancer. Kalau yang tebal ini namanya stress, penekanan. Tekanannya ada yang di kata pertama, ada yang di kata pertama, ada yang di kata syllable kedua. Suku kata pertama dan suku kata kedua. Dancer, salesperson, accountant. Yeah, this is how we pronounce the words. Yeah. Carpenter, musician, musician, firefighter, reporter, server, tutor. Yeah, that one. Okay, let's see the next grammar focus. Let's see the next grammar focus ya. Kemarin sudah sempat ngerjain latihannya, menceritakan
Udah.
kegiatan sehari-hari. Sudah? Bisa di-share ke Telegram group setelah ini ya. Let's review. Let's review the grammar focus of this one. Time expressions. We use time expressions. I get up at 7 in the morning on weekdays. I leave work early in the afternoon on Thursdays. I go to bed around 11 in the evening on weeknights. I get home late at night on weekends. I stay up until midnight on Fridays. I exercise before noon on Saturdays. I wake up afternoon on Sundays. So for this grammar focus, you need to remember the words that we use to express the activities. Jadi aktivitasnya bahasa Inggrisnya apa? Kita harus ingat-ingat. Oh bangun tidur, get up. Berangkat kuliah, I leave work itu berangkat kerja. Kalau kuliah, I go to the university. Tidur, I go to bed. Pulang kuliah, I get home. Eh, melek, apa namanya, begadang, I stay up. Olahraga, I exercise. Bangun tidur, I wake up. Bedanya get up dengan wake up, Amel sudah tahu? Sama-sama bangun tidur. Kalau wake up itu kita buka mata. I wake up at 4, but I get up at 4:30. Buka matanya jam 4, tapi bangun dari tempat tidurnya setengah 5 misalnya ya. Kelamaan gitu ya. I get up itu bangkit dari tempat tidur. Kalau wake up, kita buka matanya. Alright? Then we also practice expressing clock time. This one is 7 at 7. AM means in the morning. PM means in the evening. Okay, we're going to go to the exercises. Let's go to the workbook. Ya, ternyata kita tidak punya cukup banyak waktu untuk ke unit berikutnya. Jadi kita selesaikan saja reviewnya ya, Amel ya. Nanti di sesi berikutnya agenda kita adalah tes. Tesnya 45 menit, jadi separuh dari sesi berikutnya. Terus nanti kita lanjutkan ke unit yang ketiga ya. Okay, we're going to go to the workbook of Unit 2. Tadi unit pertama sudah, kita ke workbook di unit kedua. Oh, atau kita ke sini dulu. Ke grammar focus yang unit kedua. Jadi di unit kedua ini kita lebih banyak menggunakan kata kerja dalam kalimat, Amel. Kata kerja dalam kalimat itu menggunakan do atau does, ya, sesuai dengan subjeknya tadi ya. Kalimatnya menggunakan s atau tidak kata kerjanya sesuai dengan subjeknya. Oke. It's slowing down. I'm so sorry. Let's see the grammar. I don't see the grammar. Oh, focus. Please wait. Oh, it's slowing down. Okay, the grammar focus for the second unit, for unit 2, talks about the use of do or does for the questions, WH questions, and also yes, no questions. And then for unit 2 also, we use the sentences with do and does and with verbs like this one. Simple present, WH questions and statements. Ya, tadi kita sudah banyak latihan kalimat, pertanyaan. Sekarang kita belajar melengkapi kalimat, Amel. Number 1, complete the conversations with the correct form of the verbs in parentheses. I have good news. Yeah, I have good news. Mona,
Has, has,
Mona, have atau has?
has,
Has.
has.
Okay, very good. What about number 2? How?
Oh,
Do or does?
oh,
She?
does.
Yes. How does she like atau likes?
He likes.
Mm-mm. Kalau di pertanyaan, di sini sudah ada does, di sininya nggak pakai s. Ya, we don't use s over here. Yeah, because this one is a question. How does she like it? And then the answer is she love. Is it with S or without S?
Likes.
Uh-uh. Love with S or with no S? With S, yeah? Uh-huh. She loves it. The hours are great. And then what time? Do or does?
Does.
Does. What time does she start or starts?
Start.
Start, yes. What time does she start? What time does she start? She
He
start with S or without
start
S?
as
S. She starts at 10 and
finish.
finishes, yeah. Finishes with S. At 4. What
Do.
do? Very good. What do you do? Do or does?
Yes. But
Do, yeah. What do you do? I'm a teacher. What?
what do
Mm-mm.
you teacher teach?
What? Yes, what do you
You
teach?
teach.
What do you teach? I
I teach.
mm-mm, I teach Spanish and English. Really? My sister?
Teach English too.
Yes. With S or without S?
S.
With S, yes. Okay. I have good news. Mona has a new job. How does she like it? She loves it. The hours are great. What time does she start? She starts at 10 and finishes at 4. What do you do? I'm a teacher. What do you teach? I teach Spanish and English. Really? My sister teaches English too. Can you read number one to number two?
Yes.
Please. Mm-mm,
I heard good news. Mona has a new job.
mm-mm,
How does she like it?
mm-mm,
She loves she loves it. The
mm-mm.
house are great.
Yeah.
What time does she start?
Mm-mm,
She starts at 10 and finishes at 4.
mm-mm,
What do you do?
mm-mm,
I'm a teacher.
mm-mm,
What do you teach? I teach Chinese and English.
mm-mm.
Really? My sister teach English too.
Yeah. Over here we have hours. Ya,
Hours.
hours. Aha. Hanya nggak dibaca, it's silent. The hours are great. The hours are great. And then over here we pronounce the S. Finishes. Finishes.
Finish.
Yes. And then over here, my sister teaches.
Teachers.
That's
Teachers.
right. My sister teaches. My
Teachers.
sister teaches.
My
All right?
sister.
Yes, that's right. Asik ya? Ya, belajar bahasa Inggris seperti belajar bahasa Arab ya kan, Amel? Kalau sudah bisa fasih, asik ya kan? Bahasa Arab juga gitu, kalau fasih, keren. Okay, now this will be the last exercise, latihan terakhir. How's your new job? How's your new job? Yeah, we're going to practice using at, early, in, on, until. Kita isi titik-titiknya dengan eh, preposition ini. Ini namanya prepositions, kata depan, prepositions. How's your new job? I love it, but the hours are difficult. I start work.
Nine. Te- six. Six.
Uh-huh.
Uh,
What do we use? At, early, in, on, or until?
until.
Uh, 6:30. 6:30. Kalau menunjukkan jam, menggunakan
At.
at. Ya, at 6:30. And I work. Saya bekerja sampai jam setengah 4. Sampai
The.
until.
Then. Until.
Uh-uh. Until. That's interesting. I work the same hours, but I work. Saya bekerja malam hari. I work at,
Um,
early, in, on, until. I work at night. Ya. I start
I start on
6:30. Kalau jam tadi menggunakan
at.
at. Yes. I start at 6:30
And on the evening
in the evening. Yes, in the evening, and finish
and finish um and finish
uh-uh,
early
and finish ada waktunya di sini.
at
At, yes.
at
At 3:30.
until the morning.
Ah, the same with this one. Finish at 3:30 in the morning, right? Mm-mm. What time do you get up? Well, I get home
At,
at, yes, at 4:30 and go to bed
in
5:30. The same, yeah, like this. At 5:30. And I sleep
uh,
at, yes, at 2. But I only work weekends
in
on.
on
Kenapa on? Ya, ada nama-nama hari. hari akhir pekan we have on. So it's okay. What about you? I work
On Monday,
nice on Monday.
and Friday
I
I
work
get
on
up
Monday, yeah. Wednesday and Friday, and I get up.
in around until around
Ya, I get up. Yang belum dipakai nih apa? Yang belum dipakai early ya, early. Yes. Okay, so this one is the exercise for using the preposition. Again, I'm going to paste this one on the Telegram group. And after this, please take a look at the workbook, Amel, and then please do the exercise. Nanti soal-soal yang di workbook dikerjakan. Kalau ada pertanyaan, boleh difoto, boleh di screenshot kalau buka di PDF, ya, boleh difoto. Oke, Amel. Yeah, it seems that you lost the connection. Um, I'm going to reconnect with you through the WhatsApp. So I have to close this session. I'm going to contact you after this, yeah, to the WhatsApp. Let me close to this session, Amel. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.